What's going on, Harvester YouTubers? Today we're working on a Haro FST in white. Along with this frame, we have the Haro Freestyler bars. We have a white seat post, Haro forks. We have Panaracer tires in blue, Skyway Tough 2s. Now we're gonna move on to the parts. We have Haro Lineage Group 1 cranks, Amy grips, KMC chain, a blue Dominator seat, an American bottom bracket with some blue donuts, a Diacomp MX clamp, Haro Fusion pedals, Haro Directional Sprockets, a Haro Group 1 stem, 1-inch headset, Tech 77 levers with a blue highlight, 1-inch gyro, and Odyssey white brake cables. So let's get to the build. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? We're finishing up this Haro FST Freestyler, so we'll run through all the parts with you and let you know what's on it. We have the Amy grips with a donut, Tech 77 lever with this Odyssey gyro cable. These are the Haro bars with the Group 1 stem. We threw on a 1-inch gyro, the original Haro forks with the Panaracer Tires, Skyway mag wheel, Haro Fusion pedals, Haro Group 1 cranks, Haro Sprocket, and a KMC blue chain, Diacomp MX clamp, layback post, and a Dominator plastic seats, Panaracer on the back, the Skyway, and this freewheel over here. So let us know what you think of the bike. Did you ride a Haro in the 80s? A FST, a Master, a Sport? Let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching this old school build. Please like, share, subscribe, and we will see you guys later.